Today we are at one of the most legendary, scary places with a lot of folklore and stories behind it, which is right over there. We're going to take some photos of the Devil Pits. The Devil Pits, yes. Ominous name, scary name, eerie name. Right here there is still a Roman road which is going through this forest. We're passing the Devil Pits. We're gonna take some photos, as I said, but at the meantime I'm testing out something new I bought 2 weeks ago. It arrived last week, so I bought it 3 weeks ago. Which is the DJI Osmo Nano, which I'm shooting it with right now. Take some B-roll. Hold on, I'm gonna use my phone for that. And I'm still getting used to all the settings this tiny action camera has. Right now I'm shooting in D-Log M. That's the color profile, the raw color profile of DJI. I bought this tiny little camera because I mostly record POV videos on YouTube, as you might notice when you look at my previous videos. Yeah, we're gonna take off. We'll take some shots with the Nikon Z52 and the Nikon Z50 to 250 millimeters. I use it on a crop sensor. The Z52 is a crop sensor, and so the equivalent is 75 to 375. That's it. Okay. And without further ado, let's visit the Devil Pits here in my hometown. Let's go. Damn it. It's starting to rain now. I just made a stop. It's good that I got cover from the trees. And in the meanwhile, I mounted the Osmo Nano on my chest with the magnetic lanyards, which comes with the Nano itself. Okay, all good. Let's put this in my pocket. Take out the Nikon Z52. Let's see if we can get a shot of this mess. Okay, I'm shooting in aperture priority mode. Let's try it like this. You might not see it. Ooh. Oh, can I open it a little bit further? Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Instagram is not good. No, it's not. A little bit lower. Oh my God, no. The rain is pouring down now. Oh my God. Welcome to Belgium. When you want to do something outside, it starts to rain. So I took my first shot and I'm gonna move up the road again. I'm gonna put my camera in my bag here. Oh, stopped. That's fast. So as you see, I can mount my camera right here. This is the fall cam locking system. See, hands-free. You can find everything I use in the link down in the description. It's Amazon storefront. There you will find everything I'm using for you to buy. All right, so let's move on. We're going over there a little bit further. There should be the Devil's Pits. The Devil Pits. Devil Pits. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, this is it. I found it. I spoke about it in the video I watched. This is it. Put my bike down here. So this is it. These are the devil pits. It's said to be haunted here. Now the story behind it is there was a quarry right there. It's a little bit, you see, maybe you can see it over there. It goes up like that, and there's the quarry. It said that it was white sandstone they won from the quarry. They used the white sandstone to build, you know, homes for priests and how do you call it? Damn it. And after everything was won from the quarry, they started using this pit, you can see right here, to dump bodies from criminals who were hung a little bit further. We'll try and find it as well. So they threw all the bodies in here. Yeah, it's a little bit eerie. Should be, especially at night. A lot of ghost hunters, Flemish ghost hunters come here to do like investigations and stuff. And maybe I will go a little bit further. I'm not going to disturb the dead, but I will take some pictures. Let's see. You see there's, I don't know if you can see it on my screen. There's this thing going up. That's where the quarry is. Now I am on private property. And I don't want to get into trouble. You see how it goes up here as well? So that should have been the quarry. And this is the devil pit, or devil's pit. Man, it's scary to think about it. All those bodies being dumped right here. Maybe I'll check it out just a little bit further. So much history here. Let's see. Someone passing. Oh, this is eerie. Definitely when you know the history about this place. And in the summer, this whole, I don't know, like little valley turns into a swamp. Jesus, are there any cameras? I hope not. They might call the police on me. Oh, there's a Coca-Cola. Oh yeah, you see now how high up that is. Has this all been trampled? Phew. Oh, it has a weird smell in here. Not gonna wander too long. Ooh. Ah, it smells in here. It's not like a forest smell, it's more like a stench, a weird stench. I'm out of here. Ooh. Je mag mij niet volgen. Jullie blijven hier. Mij niet volgen. Ik kom met respect. Jullie moeten hier blijven. Right, roughly translated, I said, you cannot follow me home. Je mag me niet naar huis volgen. Jullie blijven hier. Don't follow me home. You have to stay here. I come in respect, that's what I said. Alright, now we're going to the place where they hung the criminals and then brought them here. Hopefully I can get there. Whew. Look at that. Alright, see those little logs right in front of the tree? Oh man. Is this private property? I don't think so. Man, this is nice to do like a picnic and stuff. Or play some soccer or football. I'll take a low down shot. Let's see if we can take the tree down. Nice, look at this open field. Oh man. This camera is cool, man. The Osmo Nano. Doesn't have like much weight to it, which is nice. Another green. So I'm gonna do another B-roll. You can follow along. This I will put you on the clamp. I'm going to remove the clamp. Oh no. Let's remove the clamp. Oh my god. Man, it's not my day. It's really not my day. I have to unscrew this. This is for my fall clamp. 5 cents. It does the job. Come on, get off. Get off. Get off. So you can screw this on underneath the camera. Well, need to loosen it first. Still getting used to it. Okay, now I can turn it in. La la la. Like this. And then we put it like this, maybe. Something like this. Man, that's hard. Need both hands to do that. Put on the Osmo. But you need to turn off the Rocksteady stabilization. Just turn everything off, no stabilization. So it's really just following the camera, you see. If I shake it, it's always gonna follow the camera. Do like this nice POV shots. There. Then I can move it around. You can see the front. maybe a little bit higher. I'm gonna zoom all the way in on that pony right there. Is it a pony? Yeah, it is. There. So now you have seen how my videos will look like in the future with this tiny little camera. Right, let's move on to the place where they hung the criminals. It should be up the hill, right there. Let's go. Apparently, it's not that much further. It was right there where the mill is right now. There was like a place where they hung criminals, thieves, rapists, whatever. And they brought them by this road. They brought them where I've been before, the devil pits. They brought them over there and threw them in the pit, and that's what went down. It's crazy that my hometown has so much history and all the things that happen here. Nice, right? Well, whew. This clamp comes in really handy. As you can see, I've just attached it to a wooden pole to do my outro. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty amazing to see or to find out about the history about my hometown, the devil pits, and the place where they got hung. All the criminals got hung and thrown into the pits. So I hope you enjoyed. Few photos taken, but I was just overwhelmed with the, I don't know, the eerie story around it. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.